Jason Lee. I'm a master's student here in NTU studying information systems. And today I'll be making a really easy dessert. It's a Middle Eastern inspired cheesecake that's sure to impress your friends. So I cook in home because I feel like it's a healthier option. If I go out to like the canteens, I feel like they put a lot of carbs, a lot of oil, and they don't put a lot of proteins and vegetables into the meal. So I cook a lot so I can add more proteins and vegetables to my diet to make it healthier. I normally cook for my friends. I like to host dinner parties, small gatherings with my friends, where I cook a lot of big dishes such as steak or like paella. And then I can make a lot. This is the chance for me to make a lot of dishes and share it with my friends. So I don't have a favorite dish per se, but when I want something convenient, I usually cook pasta because I think that's a very fast and easy dish to make. I love cooking because I feel like it's a way of expressing my artistic side. It's something I can create and think of new things to make all the time.